Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, I'll show you how to resolve the blower fan problem, especially the motor since it's not working. It's summer, AC not working also. So of course the problem is going to be all classic problem, the blower motor resistor. And if you look closer guys, it is really bad condition. It's very rusty and it's weird, so I assume this is the original OEM part. I went back and forth with the fuses, tried to see the connector for the blower fan, and everything was all right. So I came along thinking, this thoughts, what if the resistor is bad and not the blower fan? So I did check on the voltage onto the blower fan, and it was definitely not right. Also, I did replace the battery, but that's not about the AC. It was actually a bad battery. But lucky me, once I got a new battery to replace here, I realized that the resistor it's placed right behind the battery. So here is the driver's side, here is the passenger side. So as you see, I got the battery off, plus I got the battery holder, like the whole base out. Is really not bad. You just have these 4 bolts to be removed. It's I believe it was 13 millimeter. And here we go guys, 2 bolts on 8 millimeter. It's actually more like screws. And this is of course the new one. I got one from AutoZone, pretty cheap, like $22. It's ready to be installed. I got a connector back together. So yeah guys, that's it. I did test it and it works well. I just took this off just to show you where's the resistor and how to replace it. So let's go ahead and I'll explain you how to take everything out and put everything back together so you get your resistor replaced and finally have an AC in your car. Alright, so for the beginning, you have to remove the battery. You got, of course, 2 little nuts for 8 millimeters. You don't have to unscrew them all the way, just loose. Pop the terminals, get the battery out. You got also a battery holder. So on the back side of the battery, also on 8 millimeter. It's pretty long bolt with the holder. Then you got this 4 bolts and 13 millimeter. Pop out the whole cover, and then you have straight access to the resistor. You got two screws to be removed, and you get your resistor like just like that. Then you use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, to pop the connector out. Make sure you're pushing both sides all the way down same time. Don't crack these holders, because you will have a hard time to put everything back together, especially to be like tighten it up. Then same way, what you want to do is you're putting this back. I got also this drainer out because it wasn't on the way. For some reason this thing was literally right behind it, so you know I needed more space to tie this back up. To put it back together, what you want to do is, of course, put the screws back, tie that up. Alright, the main problem why you would not have blowing air in your car will be the blower fan actually itself. And as you see in the video, is right next to the resistor. Most of the models blower fan is located under the glove box inside into the interior. This van is old school, so here we go guys. I'll show you quick how actually to remove and replace the blower fan on this Ford van. So as you see already, I removed the connector. Next thing is to take the 4 8 millimeter screws around the blower fan. And also we have to remove this freon little tank. It's on the way because it's too tight and you will not be able to remove the blower fan. Once you take these 2 10 millimeter screws from the little tank, then you'll be able to manage the space and remove the blower fan.
It's actually pretty easy to do all this job. Once you have the old and new one, put them next to each other. Make sure your new part matches the old one. The new one will come with a gasket, and it's on a sticker. So make sure you are placing it right. Take any parts out of your old blower fan if you need to. Once you got them there, tied up the 8 millimeter 4 screws, put the two 10 millimeter screws back on the Freon tank, try the connector, and this is it, guys. Put everything back together, and your blower fan and AC should work like brand new.
If you have questions about the blower fan, then just comment below and ask under the video, and I'll definitely help you out and assist you how to replace that blower fan. But so far, this is it. My van got AC back. That was mechanic mode. See you next time.